or the research in the buy ba konene say Oba NDC mu aye Haruna Idrusu followed by say doing Ketia. The other one no so say Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia. Yeah the aye no hane de na Kenya Japan lead across. But ono no I expect as a researcher no so be a researcher you only study no who ebia wo sample size na hemfa na fire Oba Facebook yeah they are to who leads MPP there or the abetu dwa no and say kai say ne predictions are why and then the research in ebem accordingly recent one it say Dr. Bawumia delegate ne say ometo abama no it's only be lead and Keno Japan 17 and Dr. Brian Champon and Dr. Duchumun so and Kwabene Japan undisclosed for so eshishema and aba NDC munso a Haruna Idrusu ne dikan asidun ketia ato forcing Julius Debran so the fourth one okuji to abla America pokumu any name wa kama
Julius the fourth
Julius the fourth but Musa on say ade we dey buy anankofo bebre ye dey sex with dey na ye be grudge bebre but enyoma ni bi wo ha we dey buy Musa say hey na ukoji sika bi na ya na wo manipulate figures na anase dey
Nana kama yi
ebi wo dey yem fan say bia Haruna Idrusu ehia wa bribe kakra say de bia wo ya na de akoma baby for fronti fa no kosro and I yan so research bebre yi che say o Kenya Japan e lead all of a sudden o de ade aba che say Dr. Bawumia ene e lead and also confusus say okoji ademudi free Dr. Bawumia ho enya fine enti sa research wo part say
yo me Ubekaya we need the first time I did the polls a bit August and it would not on one and I find nothing much.
Musa my emfre another line so we need break here be frozen say there be other my emfa yeah other line in fro we know HHC t my emfa insure 104.5 fa we know short one on ebe enti eni Musa Dankwah Global Info Analytics oba Facebook ya project kakra projection no HB foforo HRS for MPP de ne to so MPP de no HRS Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia and LED and LED based on kai say ya bi wa ha be ye bi na ken and Bawumia na you know
sure say na now say a break on period na man for adwen system is so and yeah ba on decided no one disclose no no create me the face
okay on decided here 27% men share who
no quite me the face
Musa Timinka
ye meti wonka
we a better team person me ti ase yi o de ma go straight because Dr. Bawumia 47% 17% can ohuni Japan yi de ma adwen me na because kakra na ye na kire say onumum na a lead nti what change we here for delegate na Ghana for nyina
in fact there are two parts baku ye Ghana for and baku ye delegate Ghana for no lead 57%. Delegates no only 47%.
Sakabim, o say about delegates at Dr. Bawumia a lead.
Yes.
And about Ghana and Swa, Dr. Bawumia a lead.
57%.
Okay, so my delegates in because we want to
yes.
DNT because the assumption is that Dr. Bawumia ba ebesa ye den ama MPP for. It is na say delegates na choose the Ghana for minim the FCC kra wa ye me hu say Ghana for say den but I mean delegates no choose somebody a omo presenting no 2024 or je poto a Ghana for so mo mpeni ma so why would delegate repeat same?
Delegates are delegates. They have their interests. And it depends on the message that has been sold to them to believe in that message. Obekaya, we released a data some time back telling you the educational background of delegate of MPP and their age profile. Those important data is very, very critical in understanding what is happening in MPP right now. You know, Mukasa telephones they appear to be older and conservatives.
I see. Okay, so a confirm say Nano can say Oba MPP delegates in the ma Omo menyin ne door so pan as compared to NDC for no.
Sanity.
E che said the when no din say watuma obi obesa sesa na adwen say all of a sudden. Nti e be te say o se bia Bawumia and aba na amfa kra na ye ma ne time to say the nanu ye ma akufo adomu time na. Is that the perception?
Exactly.
Interesting. Enti okay, meet you.
Those groups, they are very loyal to their cause. A bad thing say Ubesana dream.
And the delegates no so muto Emma Dr. Bawumia 2024 no omudasuwum enye sa
omudasuwum they dominate.
I see. Enti tell them minim say oma expand electoral college, you know, in Kebia and Sisanye Bibetimi Aba. So what is still doing the magic for Dr. Bawumia?
You know, the additions now in the Bekahono and to me alter fundamentally the album.
Hey. Samu.
Omo grassroots no. They will still have the sway. The grassroots will contribute maybe 90% of the voting population on Betwaba. And that 90% will determine who become MPP flag bearer.
The okay I mentioned anti-assess, I repeat.
OCS MPP album, national executives, constitutional executives, and diaspora, any omo I don't believe there will be more than 10% of Omo Metwaba.
Okay, I see.
The bulk of members electoral area officers know. Omuna ino mukasa this time around, and their vote will carry the day.
So, the question is that right now, BBN will bet me I am magic for any other candidate apart from Dr. Bawumia na Uhunana.
Look, Bawumia is not far away from runoff winning.
Okay.
Kennedy, it means we need a lot more from his people. Because you see, Omo might be saying about me, no. Omo also sell my dream. So almost sell my dream there, then nothing will change. Because who convince you be our Brian now? Onye who convince you be our Otuma Bichuma? Onye Kobna Jepon Onye. The numbers must come from Bawumia's numbers. If we can't convince people to leave Bawumia, it will be difficult.
Enti Metewasia, me who undecided for no more doors pan not disclose no omo doors pan and no eba say chresen.
Omo catching say omo nyanya omadwin as who to vote for. Some of them no omo train contact. One at the beba first. One no. And he doesn't know say yen a part of any campaign. If they don't feel say can be na pro. Look at why I was na be by a no so. Because of me undecided. If they don't feel say yen so DMB camp and a friend. You who say obetwa ko ha ebia they be can an mark. So some of them will say me undecided. But in reality no, they know who they will vote for. But almost train be it.
Almost train be it say ademudie kakra.
Of course.
There's a ultimate tia a hono na na sika no kosoro no. Na oni omudi nkomo wo telephone no so no. I mean say telephone interview there, some of them they want to be very open to you. Is it say omunhu de Ghana for kanana? Because you see I'm asking this based on marketing. the Ansoff model, the metrics in marketing, mekachro say nipa na oye dada aba wo product bi dada ade no obi anim samna ne dada na market na wo hono nso market enye foforo enti emfa Dr. Bawumia ene Ghana for the obi anim ne dada enti se wo pem a ye beka se market penetration ugusua na wo ton no because kofo nim Dr. Bawumia wo Ghana mu dada nemom Ansoff nso kire say a new product ena odene ba bewura market wo ho dada mu dia ene e wo adwumaye eno no ne e friend product development no e che say product na e ba no a ye nim no na oba ha ye nim no de nim na ne ebia we ne nim ne dada. Is it working for Dr. Bawumia where Ghana for nim Dr. Bawumia de o meko fa no bi o nim dada nemom ti se bia Kene Japan Dr. Duchum Brian Champong omo fili se yenim ne de ba yenim ne ti se Dr. Bawumia enti de yenim ne dada no yenim de obetimi ayenti ye pia ne so a ebeboa chain de ye kofo obi foforo na afi ne ye beton no nanana. Is that the impression that you get?
To some extent, yes. Omo fili se, you see, they believe that every person in MPP who had run before, except for Edubwahin, was given several times chances to win the seat or to win the presidency. They feel that Bawumia deserves that second chance too. And that has become the overriding factor for many people. In addition to that, Philly said, you are told that into EBA say last time 9 years, this time you be in
na mamimbusa Dr. Bawumia obo MPP for 2028.
No, I don't want to put myself in the equation at the moment. Let the delegates decide.
Mimi busa beyond the delegates because now no ani etwetwe nkomo no. Me kai say na sa primary si besui. O ma yehu say for example that time na Alan Kojo Chamatin wo race nim no. O ma yehu say den ya Bawumia be wini. Nanso si epie ba abonten na Ghana for pe Alan chain Dr. Bawumia enti ebema Bawumia ho akere no. O kan wansem MPP fo amfiu. Alan free mu na Kene Japan be mu no. O ye rese mi ehu se Dr. Bawumia eden ya ono ane be se wini nanso epie ba still no Kene Japan eye popular abonten chen Dr. Bawumia. And my question is that is it that delegates ni who say obetimi aye popular within but ebia outside no ho betro and answer delegates ni to feel say Kene Japan no so epie ba abonten aduka daya because ono so wakeka nkrofo tira boma and answer den.
Look, I can only speculate. So, and as poster, you try to avoid speculation. But the sentiment is, or from the polling perspective, for Bawumia to have a better chance, then his MPP people must accept him wholeheartedly.
Okay.
It's a demographic issue and also performance issue. So even if they forgive him demographically and they want to go with him, would they forgive the party's performance compared to what they are experiencing now in 2028? Because people don't vote purely on partisan lines.
Okay.
Almost about based on what is happening to their economy, their lifestyle, and everything. That is why you have some MPP people voting for NDC candidates and vice versa.
Last one. Would you say the idea of nothing factor no? Had Dr. Bawumia na? I'm asking this because, say based on your outcome, you bemwa. Na yemfa say Harun Edruso ye Muslim. Dr. Bawumia ye Muslim. Ena omo take it for NDC ni MPP so hypothetically. I'm just asking. What that's nyoma na ani ekeka so free ho ahwa ne be ye adwuma na because minim say John Muhammad there although you not nano the Christian background nso boane kakra so a different narrative but we know say enyoma bi wo ho a yentime nka but the one crofo timom de to aba when we have the Haruna and Dr. Bawumia ticket to many Muslims na dynamics in Besisana.
When that happens, the Christians will have no reason to discriminate between MPP and NDC candidates. Non-Christian. But the implication of that may be that there will be lower turnout among Christians. And also there may be lower turnout among Akans. So there will be two combinations, and the effect could be more profound than last 2024 election.
Wow. And see, meaning what the bus say is supposed to guide because polling like this, no, and no, and 100%, but JD call for Jenny. And see, a bus say can a Japan for Musoma we near we ba kuti manimi penny for my year calculation so we near we are almost so results and your papa. I've so crying now, Bawumia crown crop for say. What the abadi but woman ninja because we shed and trust oh papa because we a lotto forecaster no. They say dear na obetimi aye e dia futu na ade beba ye ya e pese esu ade be before because only say me dey student in me. Wow, me too.
The kind you see say oh yes survey as a campaign team. Sometimes the people you employ as posters no. They have their hearts in the numbers. And people are able to figure out the way of free heart. So you may not get the truth from the people you are sampling. It's really delegate. But when it comes to us, no, you're from your boy, a danger, so you're free global informatics. When you say you need Bawumia camp, you need the camp, you know, be a camp, they know it. So they are more discreet with us than they will do with other people. Secondly, delegates now listen. The computer goes around and picks someone randomly. So you wouldn't know who you are calling until the computer picks the number for you.
Oh, I see.
So we are able to run random numbers quite better than anybody would do. In the last poll, out of the 2,700 and something I interviewed, the delegates came from over 241 constituencies. 241 randomly.
Okay.
Almost a bit focus on a hankoa,
okay.
It doesn't give the randomness.
Okay.
And in sampling, randomness is the best you can get to give you the best result.
Because I need the anya to say, oh, yeah, purposely. One should I say, me person mene kwasi kwatin kasa, me person mene way or a delegate. Nemum ISCCCC na atwavem. Oh, I see. All right. Musa that's it. Minim say we abey kafra. Ebasi a yebete to ananso ye adwuma no no. Nyame nhyira ne adwuma in fact, makacho say wama enkrofo bi obi ani abre MBB fo emu wi omu ho ne ndis fo wi omu ho am se ne ebe ne say. Nyame nhyira because you say wama science and data ne de ye adwuma. God bless you, Musa.
God bless you too.
Global Info Analytics Executive Director Mussa Dankwah and ordene de buy and the ochre ne say ebia na Ashanti region na also where we need but ebia in general no they be like as a fear delegates anyway mama kwesi kwatin akwa ba kwesi good morning.
Good morning.